Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Fine. And you?
Okay, I'm good too. Today, we will learn about atmosphere, but I will check the attention. So, if I say your name, please say present, okay? First, Indiani Maimun,
Present, Miss.
Dewi Sania,
Present, Miss.
Nurni Lamsari,
Present, Miss.
Jauha Hoirunisa, Tasya Aprilia, Arina,
Present, Miss.
Hovifatun, Aisyah, Laili, Queenie. Okay. Before we start the learning, let's pray together. Finish. And then I will share screen. Okay, can you see my screen, guys?
Yes, I can see.
Okay, today we will learn the material is atmosphere. Before start learning, I will tell you about learning objective. Wait ya guys, connection. Okay, learning objective. First, students are able to understand the layers of the Earth atmosphere through a video correctly. Students are able to understand the global warming and climate change. And then students are able to understand natural phenomena through digital literacy correctly and responsibly. And next, I have question for you guys, so please say the answer. Considering the critical role the ozone layer in the stratosphere plays in protecting life on Earth from harmful UV radiation, what might be the long-term consequence for human health and ecosystem if ozone depletion were to accelerate due to change in atmosphere condition? So, what consequence for human health and ecosystem if ozone depletion were to accelerate due to change in atmosphere condition? If you guys know the answer, just on mic, guys.
Human health includes skin cancer, thigh damage, weakened immune system.
Okay, thank you, Rindy. Consequence for human health, ya. For consequent ecosystem, you guys answer. No one can answer. Okay, two consequences for ecosystem is wildlife, terrestrial plants, and marine life. Next ya. Next, we will watch video about climate change. What guys? Okay, we next to worksheet. So, you can scan QR code to join my class in Google Classroom or join with Code Class and YT33GQ. In Google Classroom, you can live worksheet in here. If you can access in Google Classroom, you can presentation. I will give you 10 minutes to work. So do you want presentation, guys?
I want to try, Miss.
Okay, Rinjani, wait. I will stop share. Okay, Rinjani, you can share screen. Okay, Rinjani, this time for you.
Okay, thank you, Miss. I will presentation my work. The first, based on the picture, what phenomena happen and how do they happen? The phenomena is climate change. Climate change occurs primarily due to the release of greenhouse gas into the atmosphere, such as carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. Then, what solution can be taken to prevent or overcome climate change? The first, enhancing forest conservation and reforestation efforts to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Number two, improving energy efficiency in buildings, transportation, and industries. And the last, transitioning to renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower to reduce reliance on fossil fuels.
Okay, good job, Rindy. Thank you for your presentation.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Thank you. Okay, next I will explain a little material about the atmosphere, global warming, and climate change. Atmosphere. The atmosphere is a layer of gas or air that surrounds the Earth. It has a thickness of approximately 100 kilometers. The atmosphere functions as a shield for the Earth from various foreign objects from outer space, protect against exposure to ultraviolet radiation, and help maintain the Earth temperature stability. Wait guys, my connection so bad. Okay, next the Earth layer atmosphere. When is troposphere? The layer close to the Earth's surface. Weather and meteorological phenomena occur in this layer. Next, stratosphere. Temperature increases with altitude due to the absorption of UV radiation by ozone. Mesosphere. Located above the stratosphere, extending from about 50 km to 85 km above the Earth's surface. Temperature in mesosphere decreases with altitude. This is the layer where meteor burn up upon entering the atmosphere. For thermosphere, this is where aurora occur and where many satellites orbit. 5. Exosphere. Gas particles are very sparse and can escape into space. Next is global warming. Global warming refers to the gradual increase in the Earth's average surface temperature, primarily caused by the rise in concentration of greenhouse gas in the atmosphere. Greenhouse gas such as carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide trap heat in the atmosphere that would otherwise escape into space. Next is climate change. Climate change refers to long-term alteration in average temperature and weather patterns. Besides global warming, climate change encompasses change in weather pattern, precipitation, and the increased frequency of extreme weather events. Climate change is caused by a combination of natural factors and human activity. Dominated by human activity. So the next activity is quiz. You can say the word, guys. I will share screen. Right. I will share screen. Ini. Wait. Okay, I will share screen word wall, and you can say the word.
Troposfer.
Okay, troposphere. Next,
Pollution.
pollution. Good.
Stratosphere.
Stratosphere.
Thermosphere.
Thermosphere. Next,
Mesosphere.
mesosphere. Next,
Troposphere.
troposphere.
Greenhouse.
Greenhouse. And then the last one,
Emission.
emotion. Okay, good. Thank you guys for your participation. Okay. Today, I will give you assessment. You can access from Google Classroom. the code same with code worksheet. If you don't join, you can access. Okay, thank you guys for today. Please give me your reaction about learning today in chat box with emoticon. Thank you Rindiani. Thank you Nurnilam. Thank you Dewi Sania. Okay, thank you guys for your participation today. See you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Miss.
Yes.
Miss.
Okay, see you guys.
Thank you all for watching this here video.